Before watch this video till live, till end of the. Before you sleep tonight, don't carry today's stress into tomorrow. Whatever happened today, pressure, emotions, overthinking, pause everything for a moment. Stay with me and I will help you release it step by step so your mind and body can finally relax. We'll start with laughing, then gratitude, then letting go, then meditation. Let's start with laughing. Now, take a sip of water. Let's do 3 random gratitude for. Thank you, universe, for giving me Thank you, universe, for giving me. Thank you, universe, for giving me. Now, take a deep breath for 4 seconds. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Slowly exhale through your mouth for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold, relax. This is one of the meridian point. Let's tap this meridian point and release all the blocks from body, mind and soul. I take 100% responsibility for all the stress, emotions, tensions, mentally overloading in my mind, body and soul. I still love myself exactly the way I am right now. I take 100% responsibility for whatever emotions I go through whole day. I still love myself exactly the way I am right now. I take 100% responsibility for everything happening in my life. I still love myself exactly the way I am right now. Even though knowingly, unknowingly, good or bad, positive or negative, physically or emotionally, I am going through stress, emotional tensions, mentally overloaded with things in health, relationships, career, financially. I still love myself exactly the way I am right now. All these emotions release from body, mind and soul. I have the capacity to reverse whatever emotions which I don't want to experience and replace with the experiences I wanted to feel inside me, in the body, mind and soul. The more I remind myself that I am a divine energy here to experience and releasing all those blocks from past karmas till now in the body, mind and soul. The words I use, whatever I feel through in the mind is turned into blocks in subconscious mind. Subconscious mind does not know whether it is good or bad, positive or negative. The mind plays tricks. The subconsciously it stores whatever I say, whatever I see, whatever I feel, and they are manifested. The more I repeat, the more I manifest them. So instead of remember things which are not making me feeling good, remember the things which makes me good all the time. The time I spend with the people, the time I spend with myself in health, what I am taking into small steps. This is a process I need to do every single day. Release those stress, overloading of emotions from body, mind and soul. Relationships, loving myself, every single moment, every single thing what I do. The more I love myself, as we love baby for everything, the same way there is a child inside myself. The more I love myself, the more I attract love from everywhere. In career, instead of what I worry, focus on what I want to achieve. Financially, money is an energy. There is abundance of energy all over. The belief I have stops from achieving and releasing those blocks from body, mind and soul. The more I release those blocks from body, mind and soul, the more attraction happens. And I need to constantly give time and be in the awareness what is happening with me. From the time I wake up to the time I go to the bed, the more I remember myself that I have amazing energies inside me. Things slowly start to change. I see a beautiful person. There is amazing soul inside this body. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Relax. Now let's sit in a comfortable position. You can sit wherever you are comfortable, on the chair, on the floor. You can take support of the back. Close your eyes. Relax your face. Relax your head. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders and hands. Relax your chest. Relax your waist. Relax your thighs. Relax your knees. Relax your calves. Relax your feet. Relax each and every cell in this body from head to toes. relax. Observe the natural breath. The more I observe the natural breath, the thoughts disappear. Those who want to continue in this state, be in this state as long as you want. Those who want to come out of this state, slowly be aware of your surroundings, aware of your body. Rub your palms together. Place it on your eyes, on your face, all over your body. Open your eyes. Take a notebook. Write one word how you felt. Are you able to feel whole day or only for small time? The more you are aware of these emotions, the more you generate this, create this. You are a divine energy.